Today we're going to go over care, cleaning, and maintenance of our most popular products. All these products here on the wall are what we feel to be the best window coverings available on the market. We manufacture them, and it's probably 85 to 90% of our total sales. We're going to start first with our Legacy hinged shutter. It's a vinyl shutter. Cleaning it is super easy. You can wipe it off with a damp cloth. You can, if you have a stain on it, you can take a magic eraser and get it off, buff it out. You could even use chemicals such as acetone if someone writes on it with a Sharpie to get it off. The one product you want to keep away from on a vinyl or a PVC shutter is anything that has ammonia in it. So that's your Windex products and things like that. The biggest no-no that you can do is clean your window with Windex and then turn around and clean your vinyl shutter. What that does is that it breaks down the UV inhibitors and can cause your shutter to turn yellow. So outside from any ammonia-based products, you're good. This being a Legacy shutter, it is a pressure fit, opens and closes. Now if you ever wanted to take just the door off, what you do is you would use a punch, a nail, an ice pick, just like any standard door hinge. Pull the pin, take the next one up, push it up, pull the pin, and when you open it up, the door will come right off. So if you're cleaning screens or any other maintenance that you want to get to this and work on it, very, very simple. This applies to wood shutters and any other shutters that come with a hinge. Installation in reverse, drop the pin in, line it up, drop the pin in, and your shutter door is back in. Next product we're going to talk about are different versions of a shutter. They're made out of several different types of material. It can be made out of wood, like this product right here, or it can be made out of a combination of wood and vinyl. Now the way you can tell if you have a wood shutter is that when you look on how it's attached, there'll be staples. Now if it's a wood shutter, most everybody paints the shutters after it's assembled, so you'll have white on the staples. There's some hybrid shutters that are part wood, part plastic, and you just see the staples. Now the downside of a wood shutter is they do get damaged. Touch up with simple house paint, filler, solves the problem real easy. Now when you're cleaning on a wood shutter, I would use just a standard duster like what you would dust your house with no product on it. I wouldn't put water on it, even though a lot of the manufacturer says you can wipe it down with a damp cloth. I'd be very use that sparingly. I'd only do that if you had a stain or a mark or something like this. Because anytime you put moisture into a shutter and you have heat on the other side, it can cause the product to swell or flex, and you can actually chip the finish on the product. The next product is a similar one, that it is a vinyl coated wood, which is a hybrid shutter. Much the same as our regular shutter. You can wipe it off with any soap and water, all the way up to gasoline. Again, stay away from anything Windex or ammonia. You'll turn your shutters yellow by next summer. Getting away from the shutters, next most popular product out there is the blinds. Doesn't matter if it's 1, 2, 3 inch wide blinds. It does matter what the material is made out of. Now, how you determine what the material is made out of is that you want to look inside the route hole inside of here. If it's brown inside of here, it is a real wood product and it needs to be treated as a real wood product. Again, light dusting, don't put water on it. But this one is a vinyl product, so it is plastic all the way through, synthetic all the way through. So any type of water you can put on it, all the way up to gasoline. I wouldn't recommend it, but if you have a hard stain on it, a little bit of gasoline or acetone will remove stains. Same as with the shutters, no Windex, no ammonia-based products, because you can turn this product yellow as well. Our third most popular product are the cellular shades. It can be done in a lot of different ways. How they pull and how they work has nothing to do with the cleaning on them. What you want to do is that you just want to dust them. On this product, because they are a polyester paper product, you don't really want to put moisture on them unless you absolutely have to. The biggest thing, if you put moisture on it, you'll have a clean spot and it will stand off different than the rest of the shade. And then when you have light coming through the back, it'll be very noticeable. So if I had a spot on this product, what I would do is first get all the dust off of it that I could. I'd use a hair dryer, I'd use a blower, I would dust it with a duster. After that, let's say if I had a spot here, I'll use a sponge and just dab it on. Now the key is when you dab it on and fix a spot in one spot, take it out further and wipe down the whole course. So that way when you stand back and look at it, it would tend to blend in a lot easier. With these products here, they have our highest customer satisfaction, most popular, and people, we get most of our referrals off these products. So simple, easy care and maintenance.